the one who's coordinator.
And become self-independent. I am Vaibhav Krishna.
Farmer IAS, President Lok Satta Party and Member Legislative Assembly, Andhra Pradesh, and the members of Vidyalaya Management Committee, the distinguished guests and parents. May I request our Chief Guest, Sri Jayaprakash Narayan, and the members of the Vidyalaya Management Committee to come on to the dais to occupy their seats.
To begin our program with a divine invocation to the Almighty, seeking His blessings for peace, harmony, and prosperity to one and all. May I request all of you to stand up for the prayer.
हमें दो दयानिधि कर्तव्य मार्ग
Principal Mr. Sundar Kumar Sir to present the welcome address.
It gives me great pleasure to welcome the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais to this function. So let me introduce our chief guest of the day, Dr. Jayaprakash Narayan. Sri Nagabhairav Jayaprakash Narayan was born on 14 January 1956 in Nagpur, Maharashtra, and came to Andhra Pradesh at the age of 3 years to Andhra Pradesh. He did his schooling and intermediate in Andhra Pradesh. He obtained his medical degree from Guntur Medical College. Dr. Narayan joined public administration after making it to IAS in 1980 as one of the top 10 in India. He worked on agriculture, irrigation, technology and youth rehabilitation projects in various capacities and various districts of Andhra Pradesh. Some of his major accomplishments while in government are as follows. As Joint Collector, he worked for the speedy rehabilitation of 8,000 youth from displaced families of the Visakhapatnam steel plant. As Collector of Prakasham district, he was instrumental in the creation of a record of 2 lakh acres of irrigation, the largest such program with direct participation of people. As Collector of East Godavari district, he spearheaded the reconstruction of drainage and irrigation network in Krishna and Godavari deltas. He served as Secretary to both Governor and Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. He worked on strengthening of the credit cooperatives and making them independent of government control. He is well known for his role in bringing electoral reforms and the Right to Information Act. He has written many columns in leading Indian newspapers. In spite of an impressive personal achievement, Dr. Narayan's experience in government convinced him that faulty governance process was the biggest hurdle to India and Indians achieving greater success. And what India needs today is a fundamental change in the rules of the game and not a periodic change of players. In order to translate his vision into practical reality, he resigned from services in 1996 and worked with like-minded colleagues for the formation of Lok Satta and is currently its national coordinator. Lok Satta has now emerged as India's leading civil society initiative for governance reforms. So, on my behalf and our institute's behalf, hearty welcome to you, sir. It is my privilege to extend a hearty welcome to Mr. Pramod Kumar Jha, Scientist E, RCI, and Secretary VMC DLS RCI. I wish to extend hearty welcome to Mr. Pradeep Agarwal, Scientist D, RCI, Treasurer VMC, DLS RCI. It's also my pleasant privilege to welcome Mrs. Amrita Singh, Scientist D, RCI, and members of VMC DLS RCI. I also welcome Prasad sir, the ex-chairman of the school. My hearty welcome to all ex-members of the management committee, parents and alumni of the school. We are delighted to have you all to participate in the Independence Day celebrations. I thank you all for making time, on your busy schedule to grace this occasion. Thousands laid their lives so that our country breathed this day. Never forget their sacrifices. This Independence Day is a great opportunity to stay united and promise that we will always try to be good citizens and do our duties honestly and regularly. This way we can contribute to the development of our country. At the end, I want to share a good news with you all. It is a good news to all the well-wishers of the school. 2 teams from our school were selected to participate in regional level science exhibition organized by CBSE at Chennai. The exhibition was conducted on 13th and 14th of August. Out of the 2 teams, 1 team has secured the first place at regional level and qualified for national level competition. So I congratulate the team members